Watched a video of me talking about the foundation of my business, because I've been talking to you guys a little bit about what I do and why do I make these videos. And again, like I said earlier, I am an affiliate marketer, so I promote a product and I earn commission. So how do you set your foundation up? Well, if you are promoting a product for a good company, they are going to provide you with the tools you need. So basically, you just have to have a cell phone, Wi-Fi, and a laptop to run your business. And guys, the great thing about it, you can actually do this from anywhere. So no excuses like you don't have time, because I know you have minutes between the minutes to work on this. But basically, all you need to do is build out the sales funnel, build out the email campaign, make sure they're connected correctly, and then you start making videos. You start creating content around the problem you're helping other people solve. So I like to help people make money online. I like to help people, get educated, that you do not have to stay stuck in a job, especially if you're frustrated or burnt out or exhausted or whatever it is. You do not have to stay stuck there, because if you learn the skills around high ticket affiliate marketing, you can actually do the same thing I'm doing and start earning money and eventually quit your job or pay off debt, whatever you want to do with it, travel more, help your family, whatever it is. Guys, it does take work. It's not the easiest thing. I do this 2 to 3 hours a day. I get up an hour earlier before I go to work. I stay up an hour late, and then I work, like I said, the minutes between the minutes. And I do 90% of it from my cell phone. If you do, like I said, have the tools from the business that you are promoting for, then that's all you have to do is edit it a little bit, the 2-page sales funnel, the email campaigns, and then you're ready to rock and roll, and you just create these videos. I know I may just maybe made it sound really simple. I do want to let you know it does take work. You do have to be consistent, and you have to take action. You have to show up every day, but you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. And I'm here to help you do it.